Welcome to simplystreetbikes.com. Today we've got a 2011 Triumph 675 Daytona Triple. This bike's got just a little under 10,500 miles on it and is in excellent condition. Got a couple of nice highlights on it, so let's take you a walk around it, fire it up so you can hear it run. This Daytona has been very well taken care of. Haven't found any damage on it. Tires are still in great shape, got plenty of miles left on those. Here's one of the highlights. It's got a tank pad on it. This also comes with Dan Moto twin exhaust and a fender eliminator. Show you those miles now. 10,460 is what's on it. Set the camera down here. I did just realize too, this Daytona's got an integrated tail on it as well. So this Daytona 675 will be going through our pre-sale inspection. Will also come with our 30 to 8,000 mile limited warranty, and as long as you own this bike from us, you will get a discount on parts, labor, and accessories. Thank you for shopping simplystreetbikes.com.